bought my mama her cookies like she asked for, and she just stay out of my stuff.
Got wallet. This is the same wallet Jordan and Phillip got. They all, I guess, dressed in alike, y'all. If y'all know anything about Deonte, he loved character socks. Him and Phillip. He got something healthy, some yogurt. How these taste? Jordan said they're energy drinks. Yeah. Do they give you like that racing heart rate?
I've been working all day. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.
Hey y'all. My kids are fighting. This is what they do. We really want to talk to her pops and he won't talk to her. This is how my video is opening. Alright y'all. Deonte and Jordan just got back from the store. So I'm going to show y'all everything that Deonte got. But first I'm going to show y'all over here. He went shopping for him a few more outfits. I do not remember if I had shared with you guys when I had went and got Phillip, Deonte, and Jordan some shirts. But Deonte had liked them, so he went back and got another one. So he got this shirt. Y'all know Walmart have these printed shirts. And Jordan has this same shirt. And they wash up really well. They don't shrink or anything. And then he got these shorts. I had got him a khaki pair, so he got the blue to go with that one. The picture that I had put in the video that you guys will see tomorrow, that outfit that Deonte had on is the one that I'm talking about. So this is the price of the shorts and the shirt. I don't know where the tag is on the shirt. Oh. And they shirts are now $7 and they was $12.98. Then he got him a white tee. The George white tee. And he got it to go with some pink shorts, and they was the same price, $18.98. And he bought him a wallet, which he already put his stuff in. Oh, all y'all got the same wallets now. He got a Levi wallet. This is the same wallet Jordan and Phillip got. They all, I guess, dressed in alike, y'all. If y'all know anything about Deonte, he loved character socks. Him and Phillip. So he got the SpongeBob character socks and the Sonic. And so does he. Now we're coming over here to the haul. This is all stuff for them. This is just a snack haul for the kids. I'm going to start here so he can put his ice cream up. He got the Magnum bars, the double caramel. Y'all know they come 3 in a pack, so he got 2. You can put those up, Deonte. And then he got him some popsicles. And 3 packs of the sweet ropes. They different flavors. He got the cherry punch, the tangy strawberry, and the watermelon berry collision. Fritos, the chili cheese, the spicy nacho Doritos, Cool Ranch Doritos. And he got these for me because he replaced mine that he ate yesterday. He got the Cheetos minis. Oh, I didn't know they made these in a container. Deonte, how long they been having these? Just on the day. Okay, they like in the Pringles container. But yeah, mini size. You just don't be gone long. The mini size, mega flavor. So if y'all have these at y'all local Walmart, let me know. The big pack zebra cakes. Y'all know I love these, but my kids do as well, and these are theirs. Both of them are the big pack zebra cakes. He got 2 Tombstone pizza, both pepperoni. He got the frosted sugar cookies, the pink and the, I guess this is a fuchsia. The Mike and Ike mega pack. 10 flavors. I might have to take this from him. He got some hot sauce. I told him to get a big bottle because they go through hot sauce. He got my favorite jalapeno cheddar cheese. But these are his. He got 2. The flaming hot flavored meat sticks. So it's like the Slim Jim. They're just the flaming hot ones. He got these for me. These are my Chips Ahoy Hershey's because they ate the one I just bought. Yeah. Then he got him these, the Reese Chips Ahoy. I never had those. And then he got him some Slim Jims. He got something healthy, some yogurt. He loves yogurt, so he got him some yogurt, the strawberry and a mountain blueberry. He got him some chocolate milk. And this is the Borden Super Chocolate. He got the Great Value Strawberry Lemonade. 2 of the Tropical Lemonades. No, Tropical and Watermelon. I'm sorry. And then he did get a Strawberry Borden Milk. Y'all know I love those. And he got the Strawberry. I don't try to pronounce this, but the Minute Maid. Y'all know we got the canned ones before. They was pretty good. He got a Peach Knee High and a Canada Dry Ginger Ale. Again, my favorite. He got the Bang. What are these, y'all? But you know what these are? No, I see what it say, but oh, okay. And it say Protein, Brain, Body, Rock, and Fuel. All right. Never had these, but it's the Wilden Watermelon, the Blue Raz, and the Peach Mango. If y'all had these, let me know how they taste. I might have to taste one. And it's 0 sugar, so I like that. And then he got the Sunkissed Berry Lemonade and the Mountain Dew Major Melon. These are his favorite drinks right there. So that's all. Like I said, him and Jordan went, and this is what he came back with: some clothes and snacks for him and his siblings. Philip and Deonte is not going to be here for the weekend because they are going out of town with Talia, Greg, and Alisha. They doing a little birthday trip with him. But I'm pretty sure this stuff will still be here Sunday when they get back. So yeah, this the kids, small little haul, y'all. I'm pretty sure y'all adult and young children like to eat just like this. You got anything to say, son? Cause they love to see your face.
I bought my mama her cookies like she asked for. Now she can stay out of my stuff.
Well, I don't want none of this. I just wanted my cookies, and I might drink some of your ginger ale.
A zebra cake thing too.
They'll probably just go in the cabinet. I really haven't been wanting those zebra cakes. I haven't been having a taste for them. But I do have a question about these. How these taste? Jordan said they're energy drinks.
Yeah.
Do they give you like that racing heart rate? Because you know I can't take that. So.
Doesn't give me that.
Oh, so they're not as strong as a lot of them? Like the. Okay. Well, when you get them cold, I just want one of the watermelon. Thank you. All right. So that's all he wanted to say. Jordan, you got anything to say? He said no. All right, you guys. Well, let me know what y'all think about Deonte outfit, socks, and his snacks. And the next haul he do, I'll share it with y'all. Later, guys. Have a great weekend.